Belt replacements are an important part of preventive maintenance for your vehicle. In this movie, Bando would like to introduce the preventive maintenance tips for power transmission belts, and it includes the following 4 items. 1. Troubles caused by belt deterioration. 2. When belt replacement is necessary. 3. Belt inspection methods. And 4. Proper belt installation. It may seem hard to know when to replace belts, but if a belt is used beyond the recommended service life, a minor deterioration can cause decreased fuel efficiency and unusual noise while driving the car. Further use can lead to more severe troubles, such as if the alternator does not sufficiently charge the battery indicator on your dashboard will light up, which actually indicates that all electronic devices in the vehicle are not being charged properly. Ordinarily, power steering allows us to turn the steering wheel easily. However, if the belt fails, hydraulic pressure to the power steering pump is decreased due to a lack of precision power transmission, and steering becomes difficult. The air conditioner stops working and there is no temperature control. The engine overheats. It is always better to be preventative rather than reactive. Therefore, to prevent both minor and severe trouble caused by a belt, Bando recommends you to inspect the belt periodically and get it replaced at the appropriate time. Now, let's see what causes these conditions when the belt replacement is necessary. Automotive belt ribs become worn or cracks occur due to extended use and age. These are the signs that the belt needs to be replaced. Look for wear. Wear reduces belt rib height and width. As a rib starts to wear and flatten, it will lose its ability to function properly, causing slippage. Look for cracks or glazed appearance. This indicates the belt has aged and is slipping or chirping. It is hard to see a worn belt and whether or not a belt needs to be replaced visually. Therefore, to judge wear on today's belt, Bando Rib Ace Belt Wear Gauge was created to provide a quick, accurate way to check whether a belt needs to be replaced. Bando Wear Gauge is placed on the rib surface. Apply the teeth of the gauge to the rib side of the belt. If the back of the belt is at the same level or lower than reference level, the belt needs to be replaced. Belt height can then be checked against the reference guide to determine if replacement is necessary. In this last chapter, Bando would like to introduce 3 consideration tips on how to install properly. The first consideration is pulley alignment. Misalignment occurs when there are errors in pulley angle, gap, or parallelism. Misalignment causes belt wear, noise, vibration, and affects belt life. The second consideration is proper mesh between the belt and pulley. Substantially less power is transmitted if there is an offset between the belt and pulley grooves when the belt is installed, and there is a risk of damage if the belt rides on the pulley flange. Lastly, the belt tension. Improper tension will not only reduce belt life, but also cause other problems associated with vehicle operation. We recommend using the Bando Tension Master to digitally and precisely measure belt tension. Please visit Bando's homepage for information on Tension Master. Timely belt replacement enables safe and comfortable driving as the belt maintains its initial performance. Bando recommends performing preventative maintenance and early belt replacement to avoid vehicle troubles.